Here is how I do my magic circle or magic ring. Take 2 fingers with the end of your string, wrap it over twice, pinch with that thumb, grab your hook, slide under the first yarn, and then grab that second one with your hook. Pull it under, and you twist your hook up, and that's twisting that yarn around. Now, there you can see it's twisted. Now with my right hand, I'm going to pinch and take my left hand out. I'm pinching, holding that yarn together so it doesn't move. And you want the tail end to be on the left. And then you can yarn over and do a chain, and that locks it in place. Now you can continue to do whatever stitch you want to within that circle, the ring. Just make sure that you're including that tail end as you are crocheting, so that way you can pull the tail and close your circle. Once you are ready to close your circle, go ahead and pull that tail tight, and that will cinch and close your ring up completely. There you can see it, nice and tight, so it closes that ring all the way up for you. And there you go. You just did a magic ring or magic circle. Awesome job, guys. Thanks.